Hello friends, welcome to our new video. In this video, we are going to discuss the problem of finding the bad pairs from given array. Okay, before that, if you guys are new to our channel or if you did not subscribe to our channel yet, then please go and subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon as well so that you will get the notifications of our new videos. Okay, so this is a problem, that is bad pairs, and we have given a problem statement here. The problem statement is there is a sequence is given of length n consisting of integers between 1 to n. Okay, and we'll consider it the bad pair if it satisfies all of the following conditions. Okay, here are some conditions. Two conditions are given. If these two conditions are satisfied, then we will consider that pair as a bad pair. Okay, so here in input we have given, we have to take the integers, that is 1 to n, and in second line as well we have given some integers, that is a1, a2, a3. Okay, and we have to print the answer. Okay, so here are given some sample inputs. Okay, and their output. Okay, so so in this problem we have to find the number of pairs of array where the maximum and minimum of pair is same as their indices. Okay, so here we have given the two conditions. Okay, and we have to check that if the pairs given from an array satisfies that two conditions or not. Okay, two conditions, and we have to check that the pairs from an array satisfies these two conditions or not. And if these conditions are satisfied, then we can simply say that this pair is the bad pairs. Okay, so these conditions are the like we have to find the minimum and maximum numbers from pairs in an array. Okay, so like we have to find minimum of we have to find minimum and maximum from an array. Okay, so like this, in pair we have to find the minimum and maximum element. Okay, and if in minimum we have to assign it to equals to I. Okay, that means this one. Okay, and in maximum number, from this a of I and a of j, we have to assign this to j. Okay, equals to j. Okay, so we have to check these conditions will if satisfies or not. Okay, okay, so let's suppose we'll see and some example. Okay, here we have given some sample inputs. Okay, let's suppose this is an array we have given. Okay, so this is a sample input and output should be 2 for this. Okay, so here for the this first test case we have given an explanation that this one this pair, that is 1 comma 4 and 2 comma 3, satisfies this given conditions. Okay, so we have given that is I comma j equals to 1 comma 4 and 2 comma 3 satisfies these two conditions. Okay, so how these two pairs can satisfy these two conditions, let's see. Okay, so first let's suppose first we'll check the first condition, for that is minimum. Okay, minimum. Okay, so minimum a of first is 1 comma a of 4. Okay, and equals to, we have to assign it to I, that means array of I. So here array of I is 1, so here equals to 1. Okay, or simply we can like minimum 1 comma 4 and from this two pairs the minimum number is 1. Okay, so we'll us minimum equals to 1. Okay, so let's see the second statement, that the second statement condition is that one. Okay, so in the maximum, okay, maximum array of 1, okay, comma array of 4. Okay, these are the pair. Okay, equals to maximum of 1 comma 4. Okay, so in this condition, in maximum array of I comma array of j, we have assigned the value which is j, value of j, we have assigned it to j. Okay, so here in these two pairs the maximum value is 4. Similarly, we have to find for the second pair, that is 2 comma 3. Okay, we have to find the minimum and maximum value. Okay, so here in this problem we have to find the number of pairs from an array where the maximum number and maximum and minimum of pair is same as their indices. Okay, so यहाँ पे हमको क्या करना है, जो भी मतलब यहाँ पे ऐसे पेयर्स फाइंड करने हैं जो कि जो मिनिमम और मैक्सिमम जिनकी वैल्यू सेम रहेगी. ओके, सो ऐसे पेयर्स हमको फाइंड करने हैं. तो इसमें यहाँ पे दो पेयर्स हमको मिल रहे हैं ये कंडीशंस में. वो कौन से, 1 और 4 एंड सेकेंड वन इज 2 and 3. ओके, ये दो पेयर्स हमको मिल रहे हैं, ये इस टेस्ट केस में और इस इनपुट में से. ओके, सो in this problem we have to use the sum approach to to find these pairs. Okay, so so the approach is, okay, approach to solve this problem. Okay, first we have to uh, check, that is array of I equals to I and array of j equals to j. Okay, we have to check this, and also we have to check the second, that is array of I equals to j and array of j equals to I. Okay, in first we have to check these two conditions where satisfies or not. Okay, after checking these conditions, let's suppose there are k let's suppose there are k indices that satisfies this condition. Okay, so um, k indices where array of I equals to I. Okay, there are k indices which satisfies this condition. Okay, so here we can check whether whether the pair is satisfying this condition or not by using like uh, k into k minus 1 divided by 2. Okay, by using this we have to check that the pairs can satisfy this condition or not. Okay, the first one condition. Okay, now we have to check the second condition, and for second condition we can simply find by traversing through the array. Okay, so in for second condition we have to check that if array of I is not equals to I and array of I equals to I. Okay, we have to check this, we have to check the second condition by using like this. Okay, so these are the approach to solve this particular problem. Okay, so let to find the bad pairs from an array. Okay, so first we'll take a scanner class, okay, to take the input from user. Scanner sc equals to new scanner system.in. Okay, Then we'll take one variable, that is n integer n equals to sc dot next int. Okay, after that we'll declare one array, that is integer array equals to new int. Okay, and we'll pass the n into it. Okay, after that we'll take one for loop to take the array inputs. Okay, so we'll write integer I equals to 0, I is less than n, and I plus plus. Okay, after that okay, we'll write array of I equals to sc dot next int. Okay, so we have taken the array inputs. Okay, now we have to take the one variable to store the number of indices such that their value is equal to their position. Okay, so we have to, यहाँ पे हमको एक वेरिएबल लेना है जिसमें हम इंडाइसेस की वैल्यू स्टोर करेंगे, जिस जो कि इंडाइसेस की वैल्यू उसकी पोजीशन से इक्वल होगी. ओके, उसके लिए हमको एक वेरिएबल यहाँ पे लेना है, तो हम यहाँ पे एक वेरिएबल लेते हैं integer. Let's suppose we'll take integer count equals to 0. Okay, and we have to declare one more variable to store the total number of pairs. Okay, जो टोटल नंबर ऑफ पेयर्स है वो स्टोर करने के लिए एक और हमको वेरिएबल लेना पड़ेगा. लेट्स सपोज विल टेक आंसर एंड विल assign it to 0. Okay, after that we'll traverse the array. Okay, so we'll write for integer I equals to 0, then I is less than n. Okay, and I plus plus. Okay, then here in for loop we can check, or we have to check that if array of I is equals to array of sorry, I plus 1. Okay, so here we'll write one condition. So we'll write if array of I equals to, and here we have to write, we have to check if array of I equals to array of I plus 1. Okay, so if it is, then we have to increment the count. So we'll write count plus plus. Okay, okay, after that we have to find the pairs for the first condition. In this problem we have to check for the two conditions. Okay, so first we have to find the pairs of first condition. Okay, so for that here we'll write answer answer we'll write plus equals to, okay, answer plus, we'll write the formula, that is count. So before we have taken the k as a indices. Okay, so here we have taken the count for to store the number of indices. So we have to calculate the first pairs of first conditions. We have to write count, okay, into count minus 1 divide by 2. We have already discussed this formula already. Okay, so by using this formula, we have to find the pairs for the first condition which we have given. Okay, so now we have to find the pairs for the second condition. Okay, so for that we have to write the one condition. Okay, so okay, so we'll write the condition for to find the pair for the second condition. Okay, so we'll write the for loop integer I equals to 0, I is less than n, and I plus plus. Okay, and inside this for loop we have to write one condition, or here we have to check that if array of I is greater than I plus 1, and also we have to check if array of I minus 1 equals to I plus 1. Okay, so we have to write this condition here. So here we'll write if array of I is greater than I plus 1. Okay, and we'll write array of I, okay, minus 1, okay, equals to I plus 1. You have to write I plus 1. Okay, now here if this is true, then simply we have to increment this count for pairs. Okay, so here we have to write answer plus plus. Okay, and at the end simply we'll write the statement, that is system dot out dot println. Okay, and we'll print answer, that is the number of pairs. Okay, okay, so we have written our code. Now let's try to run the code. Okay, so we'll click on run. Okay, now our program executes. Now let's give the input. So we'll give the input. So the here sample inputs is 41324. Okay, 1324, and the output should be 2. Okay, here 4, then 1 3 2 and 4. Okay, so the output should be 2. Okay, let's see. We'll run. Okay, see, the output is showing 2, which is correct. Okay, now let's try to run the second test case. Okay, so here we have given the second test case. Okay, so we'll copy this test case. Okay, and let's, okay, this is the second test case. Oh, so okay, so we'll check for the second test case. Okay, so we'll run our code and we'll give the input. So here we'll give the input number as 10, then we'll pass the 5 8 2 2 1 6 7, then 2 9 and 10. Okay, so let's run this test case. Okay, so here you can see the output is showing 8. Okay, so let's see what is required output. Okay, so you can see here required output is 8. Okay, that means our code is correct. Okay, so आपको वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. Okay, thank you for watching the video.